Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to take a look at this motion blur text effect in Photoshop. Step 1, select the type tool, click, type in whatever you want. I'm going to right click on the text, convert to smart object. I'm going to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I'm gonna add like 4.5 as blur to be a little bit blurry like that. Click OK, collapse it, press Ctrl J to duplicate it. I'm gonna press Ctrl J again to duplicate again, and I'm gonna go and select the smudge tool. You can increase or decrease the strength somewhere around 50, and click OK and start pulling some of the letters. I'm gonna leave it like this because the letter T got separated, and I'm gonna pull it back and I'm gonna pull it again, and it starts to become longer and longer and longer. So it's gonna create this smooth effect. See, I don't want to separate in total. I still wanna keep this blur effect together. Now I'm gonna go to the adjustment layers, select the gradient map, click on it. I'm gonna click here to add another color. I'm gonna make this yellow, some lightish yellow. I'm gonna add another one here. I'm gonna make this orange. Very nice. And I'm gonna add another one here, and I'm gonna make this purple, like this. Sweet. So this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.